Well, hello, hello.
What?
Looks like I'm disturbing. You know what? I want to test your innovation skills a little bit because, there are quite a few people out there who just can't go to the gym. Actually, they can't go anywhere at all, whatsoever.
That's very true.
Yes.
I know.
So I was thinking, with your innovation skills, if you can create a full lower body home workout routine with only this.
With this?
Yep.
Well, actually, you can do a lot of stuff with this.
Really? That's cool.
This is a good place for you?
No, let's go somewhere else.
Yeah, okay. Maybe with these exercises looks so easy, but actually it's very hard for your muscles, legs and glutes.
Exercise 1.
Lie on the tower until your knee almost touches the floor. Pull hard with your glute to slide your foot back. The further out you go, the harder workout. So start not too far out to find your limit. This is an amazing glute exercise. 10 repetitions per leg and 5 sets.
Exercise 2.
Slide out sideways with one leg and go down as a one-leg squat with the other. The leg that slides on the tower is used for stabilization in the stationary leg that will do all the work. Same thing here. If you go far out, the harder the workout gets. The goal is, of course, to go all the way down, but maybe not to start 8 repetitions per leg and 4 sets.
Exercise.
Wait.
What?
Yes. Exercise 3.
To work. This is an amazing exercise for building glutes. Also here, the sliding leg is for stabilization only, and the stationary leg is doing all the work. But here, since your body weight is moved back, the angle you glute will work in to pull you up in the perfect angle for a maximum glute workout. 10 repetitions, 4 sets.
I'm a bit confused now. I don't know how to present this. Are you doing?
Exercise 4, that's okay.
Think on this exercise as you want to move your weight straight up towards the ceiling by contracting your hamstrings. For the really strong ones, keep one foot in the air and let just one hamstring do all the work. 12 to 15 repetitions, 4 sets.
Pero parece como entrenaste súper bien con solo esta toalla.
Así es. Recuerda que los gimnasios están diseñados para entrenar, tener más facilidad. Pero si está cerrado en estos momentos, recuerda que puedes entrenar con cualquier cosa buscando la comodidad en tu casa.
You are probably home, watching this, right? And you want a full home workout program. Then let's train together for 60 days. You and me.